What's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. I am here at OEM Paint, Auto Paint Supplies. I'm getting two colors. I'm gonna be painting the G37 that we have at my brother's house, then a hood for a Ford Lightning. Gonna be sick, so stay tuned. I'm gonna go to the backside with my boy Omar, and we're gonna see how he's gonna mix the paints. I brought both gas caps. A ver, ¿dónde está este güey?
Ah, huevo, ¿cómo que?
So this is for a Ford Lightning. It's just like a solid red, but you gotta get the right shade of red or else it's not gonna match up. Una madre, güey, lo que le echas.
No, because he has a RX-8.
Alright guys, so we got our two colors, and then we're also gonna get our color for the 350Z shell, but I'm not gonna show you guys that one. Alright broskies, let's go home and start painting our parts. This is the little project that we got going on today. It is a hood for a Ford Lightning. The stock one does not have this hoop right here. This one's gonna make the truck look a little more aggressive, and it's gonna be red. I still gotta sand it down a little bit, and then we can start painting it. But I think I'm gonna paint the bottom as well, so when the homie's driving, he doesn't see this part black or gray. So I'm gonna try to paint the bottom red as well, and then we'll paint the top. But check out the 350Z. Over the weekend we installed a rear bumper. It's not on there right. I made like this little bracket, but I still gotta make more to make it a little more sturdy. The car's looking pretty complete. And then I also bought the paint for the interior. I will probably show you guys in the next video. In the next video we're gonna start painting this car. It's gonna look sick. Alright broski, so I just flipped the hood. I'm just gonna spray it a little bit, like real quick. I'm not even gonna throw clear on it. Quick spray down. We'll flip it and then we'll paint it. So I just sprayed the bottom of the hood. I'm gonna wait a couple minutes and then we'll flip it and then we'll paint it. Alright broskies, it's time to flip the hood. I'm gonna see if I can do it on my own. I know it's a fiberglass hood, but this thing is pretty heavy, so I'm gonna try to do it on my own, try to flip it, and so we can start painting it. So right now I'm gonna use this static eliminator to spray that helps with all the static that we create with the microfiber cloth. It's a lot of dirt. Alright broskies, I am done with the hood. This thing came out pretty sick. The owner's gonna pull up tomorrow. It should be dry by then, and then hopefully he wants to install it here so we can check it out on the truck. 3 layers of clear, fresh. We did get some pelucita, but I think we can take it off with the buff. That's what you get when you paint on garages, the little debris, basurita. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. I almost forgot one important thing. I almost forgot to clean my spray gun, and it still has some clear on it. That would have messed up my gun. Good morning broskies. I pulled out the hood so the sunshine hits it. This thing looks nice and shiny, nice and smooth. The owner of the hood is about to pull up in a couple minutes. Hopefully we can install it on his truck and see how this red matches with the rest of the truck. So Lil homie with the Ford Lightning pulled up. We're gonna install the hood right now. We had to put these brackets. It's kind of like a spacer. So I think that hood sits kind of low. This is how the truck looks with the hood all painted. It did come out a little bit off. The hood does look a little too red, And the truck looks a little pinkish. You can barely tell. Ni pedo. Looks clean though. I can tell like a little bit. Alright, broski, so now I have some side skirts. They brought them into me this morning and we are gonna clear coat them. These things were, these are some splitters. They were pretty bad. I had to sand them down quite a lot, but they came out pretty good. I'm gonna wait for them to dry up. They still have a little bit of water and then we're gonna throw some clear. They're gonna look brand spanking new. Let me just go use the baño. Ya me cago, wey. Alright, broskies, while we wait for the side splitters to dry up, we are gonna go to a quick car meet. El compita Alfonso's already there. El culo no me quiso esperar. Mofo didn't want to wait for me. I told him, hey, I'm just gonna clear coat these parts and then I'll head over. Mofo decided to just take off, but we're gonna go in the mamalon real quick. We got the check engine light on. Pinche yonke. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't leave me stranded. I only have one headlight, so should I take it or should I go in the other car? Fuck it. It's like down the street, so let's go, broskies. Pinche gordo.
I think that's his name, no?
Mira nomás la pinche Michi.
Te tardas, güey.
¿Por qué no me esperaste, pinche gordo?
Te tardas.
Te pasas de verga, güey.
No te dije que a las 8:30, güey. ¿Y qué horas son? Las pinches 10, güey.
Ey, güey. Tarde pero sin sueño. Aquí andamos. Salud.
Salud.
Mira nomás los corridones. ¿Dónde, güey?
Cuando llegué tenían un fucking market that didn't work and it's clear all over. ¿El Curly Toast?
¿Te la meto? ¿Le trajiste regalo?
Le compré un boba, güey.
¿Un qué?
Boba.
¿Un what?
El boba.
Oh, esa madre? It's a fucking cereal, güey. I just finished my beer. Yeah, it's time to go home, no? That shit's fucking cold. ¿La pinche gordo? ¿Tienes frío, güey?
Pinchelita estaba frío.
Estaba chingona, güey. Oh, pinche guapo, ¿dónde vas? These things came out fresh. Alright, broski, so before the video ends, I still got one more fender to paint and I'm gonna do it real quick.